Hey guys, welcome back to Missing Wrenches Garage. Today we are doing an experiment. So the oil system on my old Ford back here, it's starting to show signs of clogging up. Here's a video of it. You can see there's still oil flowing, but not enough, I guess you'd say. So what we're going to do is we're going to try this right here, see if that helps our case any. I mean, this is just an oil change video. The extreme oil change. But I've not changed it since I've owned it, and I've owned it almost 2 years. I mean, let's be honest, it's a 300. It really doesn't need oil, but whatever. So we're going to run this STP engine flush product through it and see if that helps our case any. I know some of you don't like the Gertrude videos, but guess what? This is my channel and it's too damn bad. If you want to watch it, watch it. If you don't, don't. For the ones that do watch us, we are eternally grateful. But anymore, it seems like the more we try on this channel, we can't catch traction for shit. I could find the cure for cancer and it still wouldn't catch traction. Oh well, quit bitching about it and get back to work. Like I said, this is just for experimental purposes. So per directions, it says let this stuff chew in there for 5 to 15 minutes at idle. I think we're going to let it go for a little longer than 15 minutes because we put a new oil pressure switch in it, and the stuff on the back side of it was absolutely horrible. So we're probably going to let it run about 20. Alright, oil cap off. Bottle of goo going in. Truck scotched. Truck started. 300 doing 300 things. Alright, now our 20-minute timer is set. I'm going to go find a drain pan. Then we'll drain this out, top it back off, get our new filter and all that on. And we're going to see if we have more oil flow. And we'll cut that old filter apart and see how clogged up the previous filter is. We're going to get a little sneak peek and see if it's got any more volume of oil flowing. Yeah, it looks like it's flowing better. Alright, we have reached our 20 minutes. Finish getting this drain plug out. Ooh, it's warm. Ooh. Ew. God, that crap's nasty. Now before you start hollering, oh no, it's a Fram. Oh no, you gotta put a Wix on it. That man right there has built cars for over 50 years and has had zero problem with a Fram oil filter. It's just an oil filter. A lot of people like to act like a certain guy when they start their YouTube channels, and that drives me absolutely freaking crazy when they try to act like said guy. Nothing against said guy, and I'm not mentioning said guy's name because I mean I sometimes watch said guy's channel. He has a good channel. Well, every time I see somebody act like, come on, click, bye bye, not again. And that's all he uses is like wicks and stuff. So to me, it's just an oil filter. But I'm gonna go ahead and throw the filter on here, and then we're gonna fill it up with a very unique blend of oil. I've got like 4 different types of oil here, and none of them are nowhere near enough to fill this motor, which is 6.6 quarts. So it's getting a mutt oil. All right, so for our mutt oil mixture, I got STP 520, Dollar General 15W40 diesel oil. So my math, the way I can figure is 10. Well, 5 is half of 10. So if you take that 5 away from the 1540, 15 minus 5 is 10. So you put those together, it should equal 10W40. I mean, am I right? But let's go ahead and get it cranked back up, and we will pop the oil filler cap back off and see if she's circulating anymore. Already sounds smoother. Maybe some more volume is getting through. Let's check. I dropped my oil cap. That's nice. Oh, heck yeah, guys. That thing is flowing a whole lot more than what it was. Now, is that a permanent fix? No. Is the truck still wore out? Yes. But it buys us a little bit more time with it in its current state, and that's what we were hoping for. So, does the STP engine flush work? I believe it does. It's worth the $6 to do it. Alright guys, I was going to cut the other filter open, but I got to looking. I don't have any cutoff wheels or metal blades for my Sawzall. Actually, I got to get some more ordered in, but like I said, this was just a little experiment video. If you're experiencing, symptoms with your vehicle, maybe it seems sludgy when you go change the oil, or if you check down inside the valve cover and it doesn't look like it's oiling like it's supposed to, I recommend that product. It did pretty good for us. So I mean, $6, can't beat it. It was worth a test anyway. But if you will, just do us a favor, hit the like button, leave us a comment, hit the hot button, subscribe if you ain't, share with your friends. We appreciate you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time we get into something. I think it might be that 93 up there. See you in Zen.